Hey guys, I am back and now I'm going to be tutorial how to make some automatic armors, but just armors. Stand right back. I'm going to skip to the world. All you need is these items. And now I'm going to start. And break one block over here. And two blocks here. Two blocks here. And one block here. Put redstone dust over here. Leave that over there. And put some redstone torch with some planks. Put it like this. And put a dispenser over here. Over the top. And put dispenser. Like that. Put another one. Redstone torch over here. Okay, and you have to do it. And then cover this one. Cover. Wait a minute. I just forgot that. Okay. After that, after this. And after you finish the coverings, we have to put some. We have to put redstone dust here. And if you put redstone dust over here, and put and dispenser over there, like that. After you done that, now on this one. And put all of your armors. And at the top, put the helmet at the top. And over here, put the chest plate. And here, and put the boots. Here, put the leggings. And after that, be right back, guys. I will turn it to survival. Okay guys, I'm back in survival. Now you need to enter it like this. And here you have it. Look at me with my diamond armor. Dun, 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 dun. And there you have it. Automatic armor. Just armor. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe. See ya.